Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot. So here you have like slot, just put the tool on the hole next to the slot. The slot comes out, and here you have to put your SD card, and here your SIM card, and then put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately shows a notification that SD card inserted. And to demonstrate you that SIM card is also detected, I'm gonna go to the SIM card manager. Wait, what? Connections, SIM card manager. Okay, so there's some problem with my SIM card. Let's try to insert it once again. Whoop. Oh, and as you can see, now it detects it. Virgin Mobile, unknown number, which is a proof that SD card found. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.